Hello. As I promised on my previous video to discuss today on the technique of writing answers, today I focus on technique of writing definition. So because many of the students ask me by phone that is it compulsory to write 4 words in a definition of 2 marks? My answer is, of course not. It's not always compulsory. It is not the hard and fast principle that you have to write 4 words. But mostly for 2 marks, 4 words are expected if at all given in books. Sometimes 2 group of words means 2 phrases may be the content of a definition of 2 marks. But in most cases, you will find 4 words are there in good books for 2 marks. And for 1 mark, 2 words. So now I am going to discuss the definition of some of the definitions. Firstly, you see, define business environment. You see the definition is written there. Definition: business environment refers to the aggregate sum total of any one, no need of writing both, aggregate of factors and forces, only one, any one word, not 2 factor or forces, any one word is enough. Aggregate of forces, both internal and external, mostly less controllable, which influence the functioning, working, day-to-day operation of day-to-day operation and performance of a business. No need of this functioning. If you write only one, functioning enough, even not performance, because for both words you will not get half plus half, you will get marks for that. You see that I have given the mark. You see the words given there, 4 words or group of words to be learnt in this definition. 4 parts are there, you see, given: aggregate of factors or forces, any one, first, then internal, external, second, then less controllable, 4, third, and fourth, influence, functioning and performance. If you write only functioning, that is also enough. So 4 are there, half plus half plus half plus half. Now you go to the definition of, so you have to see there, go to the definition of, yes, one more point is there: never write any quotation, never. According to Hicks, according to Gilbreth, those are very much irritating. No examiner wants those. No examiner wants the quotation within inverted comma, right? Just you write the words. No need of writing anything within quotation, according to this, according to that. Those days are gone by. Now you see what I have given is define circulating capital. You see the 4 words are there. It keeps on revolving. You see the words. It keeps on revolving in the business. It is invested, recovered and reinvested repeatedly during the operating cycle of the business. Now you see the words to write for scoring 2 marks. You see here, revolving, first revolving, second invested, then recovered, third, then fourth reinvested, then fifth during the operating cycle. So 5 words are there. Last one is a group of words. So no need of 5. You may or may not write that revolving, but remaining 4 we have to write. Invested, recovered and reinvested, these 3 are unavoidable during the operating cycle. So you see next definition is, I am giving you, just write. Next definition is define, say, coordination. It is the process of integrating, harmonizing, synchronizing, unifying of group efforts of group efforts to provide unity of unifying of group efforts to provide unity of action in the pursuit of common purposes. Now you see the words: integrating, harmonizing, synchronizing, unifying. Any one is enough, not all the 4 words. Any one enough. And second, one more is there: orderly arrangement. This is not mentioned in the definition, but you can write. So any of the 5, any one is enough. Integrating, harmonizing, synchronizing, unifying, orderly arrangement, any one. Then second, group efforts. What is to organize? What is to harmonize? What is to integrate? Group efforts. Second. Third, giving unity of action. Fourth, to achieve common purpose, commonness of purpose. 4 are there. Now you go another definition. You see, define feedback. In communicating chapter you will get it. Define feedback. You see, it is the response, reaction, reversal, return flow of communication made by the receiver. It completes the process of communication. You see the words. This is the definition. See the words now involved. Response, reaction, reversal, return flow. Any one is enough, not all 4. Response, any one. From receiver, complete the communication process. 3 are there. So 3 enough. As there are 3 contents, 3 are enough for 2 marks. Now you see, 5th definition given: advertisement. Define advertising. It is a paid form of non-personal presentation and promotion of goods and services or ideas made by an identified sponsor. You see the words. Now, here, paid form is the first. Second, non-personal. Third, presentation and promotion of goods and services. Promotion is a must, and promotion is also in presentation is also included, but promotion is a must. Promotion, paid form, non-personal presentation and promotion. Non-personal word is there. Promotion of goods and services. Identified in sponsor. 4 are there. Paid form, non-personal, promotion of goods and services, and identified sponsor. So in this way you have to write the definition. Thank you for today. Babu, I complete this. उसको क्लोज करो टुडे. बोल